In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Docs. You might want to do this if you're collaborating with colleagues around the world or just prefer working in a language other than English. It's actually a pretty straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you step by step. First, start by opening up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, they all work just fine for this purpose. Once your browser is open, type google.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will lead you to Google's main page, which is the starting point for accessing all of Google's services, including Google Docs. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you should see a sign in button. Click on that and you will be prompted to sign into your Google account. Enter your email address in the space provided and click next. You'll then be asked to input your password. Once that's done, click next again to successfully log in. After logging in, you'll see a small grid or a box-like icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This is Google's app launcher. Click on this icon and from the menu that appears, select Google Docs. This will open up the Google Docs homepage where you can access existing documents or create new ones. Once you're in Google Docs, you'll find the File option located at the top left of your screen. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and here's where you'll find language options. Look for an option labeled Language. Click on this to open a larger list of all the languages that Google Docs supports. In the list that appears, scroll through to find your desired language. Google offers a multitude of language options, ranging from Spanish and French to more localized languages. Once you've found the language you prefer, click on it. This setting will adjust the language preferences for your current document, allowing you to work in a language that suits your needs. And that's it. You've just changed the language in Google Docs. This adjustment will help in ensuring that spell check and other language-specific features are aligned with your preference. If you need to switch back or to a different language, just follow the same steps. It's as simple as that. We hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified on our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in, and happy writing in your new chosen language.